Recursion in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. What is the meaning of recursion in Python programming language? Recursion in computer science in general is a method of solving a problem where the solution depends on solutions to smaller instances of the same problem. Such problems can generally be solved by iteration, but this needs to identify and index the smaller instances at programming time. At the opposite, recursion solves such recursive problems by using functions that call themselves from within their own code. The approach can be applied to many types of problems, and recursion is one of the central ideas of computer science. Python programming language also accepts function recursion, which means a defined function can call itself. Recursion is a common mathematical and programming concept. It means that a function calls itself. This has the benefit of meaning that you can loop through data to reach a result. And the professional developer should be very careful with recursion, as it can be quite easy to slip into writing a function which never terminates. However, when written correctly, recursion can be a very efficient and mathematically elegant approach to programming. Let's take a simple example of recursion in Python programming language. Here in this example we have a recursion function, and it is called numbers. We have defined this function to call itself. We use an argument or variable called n. This is a simple parameter, and this n variable or argument or parameter also is passed into the numbers function as a value, which decrements -1 every time we recurs, when the conditional if test expression is true. The condition for the if statement or the test expression is n is greater than 0. You can see we put the result variable is equal to n plus numbers function and n-1 as a parameter variable, and print the result after the recursion process. Else, the result is equal to 0, and return this result. Now it's time to call the numbers function. Let's go ahead and call this numbers function with a value for the n argument. Say this value is equal to 6. Exactly as follows. Okay, in this example, we have used the print function to display the recursion results message or string before the result of calling the numbers function. After that, you can notice the calling of the numbers function, and we placed the number 6 as a value for the n argument. And the output we got is equal to 1 for n equals 1. 1 plus 0 and the result will become 1. Then we got 3 for n equal to 2, because the result in this case is equal to 2 plus 1, 2 plus the recursion function for n equal to 1, and so on until reaching the last value when n equal to 6. And the last result we got is 21 for n equal to 6. So easy, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.